Right now, a new model of entrepreneurship is taking shape, the ghost business. These are ventures that generate revenue without a physical office or traditional staff, using artificial intelligence as the engine for their day-to-day operations. In under 7 minutes, we are going to build the foundation for one of these businesses. We will generate a fully functional, mobile-responsive website that includes a direct-to-WhatsApp ordering system. To complete this setup, you'll need 3 things: a free KMI AI account, a free GitHub account, and the master prompt template provided in the description. Eliminating the need to code doesn't remove the work, but it changes the nature of it. Instead of writing syntax, you are now focused on configuring the AI systems that connect your product to your customers. Step 1 is preparing your data. Open the master prompt text file and navigate to Step 1. Input your business name, basic details, and the exact WhatsApp number where you want to receive orders. You also need a functional location link. Open Google Maps, find your business PIN, and right-click it. Rather than copying the browser URL, click Share this location and copy that specific link to ensure the map functions correctly on your site. Move to the Step 2 section of the document. Here, list each of your products or menu items alongside their specific prices. Once your information is entered, copy all the data you've written and paste it into the consolidated Step 3 section of the document, then save the file. By organizing your raw data into this structured format before prompting the AI, you reduce the risk of errors and ensure the final website is accurately customized. Now, go to the KMI AI interface. Click Add Files and upload the text document you just saved. In the message box, type the phrase Make Website. The AI will begin generating the code blocks for your site. When the generation is complete, download the HTML file and move it into a dedicated new folder on your desktop. Check the downloaded file name. Your computer may have added a number, like index:1. You must rename it exactly to index.html. Servers look for this specific name. Any extra characters and your site fails to connect. In zero-code development, maintaining strict file hygiene is what replaces the need for manual programming. Next, we need to host the site. Log into GitHub, click Create New Repository, and give it the name of your business. To avoid using the developer command line, click the option that says Upload an existing file located near the center of the screen. Drag your renamed index file into the browser, wait for the upload to complete, and click Commit Changes. Navigate to the Settings tab at the top of the repository, then select Pages from the menu on the left side. Locate the Branch section. Open the drop-down menu that currently says None and change it to Main, then click Save. By selecting the main branch, you are telling GitHub exactly which file to push live on the web. A URL will appear at the top of the page. Wait about 60 seconds for the servers to finish processing before clicking it. This helps avoid initial 404 errors. By using GitHub Pages, you are utilizing professional developer infrastructure to host your business with no monthly overhead. Click the link and you can now view your live, mobile-responsive website in a new browser tab. Clicking a product button immediately opens their WhatsApp with a preset order message, instantly bridging the gap between visitor and sale. You can update your menu or prices at any time. Simply click the Edit this file icon inside GitHub, update the text in the code block, and save your changes. Possessing these rapid deployment skills allows you to turn a text prompt into a live, functional storefront. You now have a repeatable blueprint for launching and managing digital assets with minimal overhead.